Good day. So today we want to be looking at lookup. We want to be looking at lookup function in Excel. So I have this data that contains item number and some data inside item and the item price. So the item number I'm taking this example from a case of, let's say, it's supermarket or a small shop that automates their pricing system, whereby you just go there, they want to you want to pay for your order or for your items, and they will just look up that item. They have a special code attached to the items, and the item is listed, and these are the price for the item. So let me just format this to naira so you just understand currency. I don't want 2 zeros, I want to use naira. So I'll just choose any rather. So I have this as our naira. So this will serve as our database for our items. This is going to serve as where we are going to actually get our receipt. So it's just to illustrate how the lookup function works. So let me just quickly do this, and let me say receipts. Let's say after payment we want to actually generate receipts. It's just a manual stuff. So we have the item, we have the item code. Let me put item code, then we have the item, and we have the price. So let's say, since there are 10 items, let me leave about 5 for this. Let me put our total here. So our total of price will be equal to sum of everything here, like this. Okay, so that's what I actually want to do, and I'll just format this to currency. So how do I use the lookup function? I want this place to say, okay, item equal to lookup. The lookup function has 3 arguments like this. It said lookup value. That's what did you want to look up. The lookup value is going to be the value, the numbers, these particular numbers, because that's what you are going to input. This is a database going to be hidden. This is the receipt we want to actually show. This is the receipt we want to show out. So I'm going to use this cell as our lookup value, because what I'm going to type the code number into this place. Actually, we are going to see everything once we are done. Then lookup vector. What did I want to look up? Which vector did I want to look up? I'll click on this, and I'll click on this. This is the vector I want to look up. Then I'll click on comma. Then I will say result vector. What should I want the result to be? I want the result to be this, and I will close the bracket, and I will just click enter. So why it's showing NA? Because we don't have anything here currently, so we are going to handle this error towards the end of the video. So let me do this for same thing for price equal to lookup. I want to look up this place, and I want to look up vector to be this, and I want my lookup stuff to be this, and I'll just close, and I will do this. So I can just highlight everything like this and like this. Okay, so I'm actually having this. Let me format my total. I just want to leave a top and bottom border. Yes, top bottom border like this. Yes, just want to give it let me give it a blue stuff like that. Yes, so let me just bold it Okay, I have this. So what I'm going to do, anytime I enter, since this is our lookup, the cell for our lookup value, anytime I enter the code 101 and I click enter, you see the way it's actually changed from pizza to this. It will go into this particular sheet and bring up where 1.1001 is. It will take the item and take the price. That's what we are actually doing. It's going to take the item and it will take the price. So how should I handle this particular error? That's what I want to. This non-available error. Why is it showing not available? Because what, I have not input any code into this place. So I can use another function that says if error to undo this error. If error value if error, then comma, what should I want to put? I just want to put a space. I don't want it to actually show anything, so I'm going to do this. So you can see I've actually handled this error. Let me do like this way. I've handled this error. So this is an if error function. It helps you undo your error, and what I'm trying to just do now is that if this function that I'm typing here results to an error, I don't want it to show any not available error. I just want it to show an a space, or let me say yes, a space or an empty string. So I can just do this and do like that. So that ideally I'm not going to have any reasonable error, and I'm going to have 0 over here. So if I just type 1001, this is going to come up 1005. This is going to come up 1008. So I don't know if you have been to a supermarket where you just type your order or your selection based on the code, because what, they already know the code and what the code to what you already bought, so they'll just type it that way, and at the end of the day 1004, 1003 it has been taken, 1005 or 1007, 1002, and I don't know if there's 1002, 1008. Okay, I have this. So at the end of the day, we'll just say our order is let me just format this to currency, more accounting formats. I'll change this to 2. I don't want 2 decimal places, and I want it to be Nigerian currency. So at the end of the day, we can just say, okay, our price is so, and so can just add a little border to this. Okay, so you see I added a little dotted border to this in case when I want to print preview, it's going to come out like a receipt. As you can see, it's going to come like a receipt. So the receipt is going to show the other item and this and that. So that's the idea. That's what lookup actually does. It helps you look your function. So immediately I come and I change, okay, I don't want 1001, I want 1004 from this place. It's going to change everything. It's going to change this, it's going to change this, because this is actually based on this, and this value is based on this value is based on this value.